Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 455 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this Amuse Cosmetics Tinted Brow Gel that I'm going to be trying out, and I got this from ShopMissA, so it was only $1 and it's cruelty free. But this packaging, when I took it out today, I was like, wow, that looks really nice. Like, it looks kind of like high-end packaging with this matte black. But so I picked this up in the shade Auburn. On the ShopMissA website, they have 6 different shades. I feel like I always get nervous when I'm trying out eyebrow tinted products that the color's just gonna look crazy. I don't think I've even tried out like an Auburn specific colored eyebrow product. I don't even know why I chose this shade, but hopefully it'll look okay. You may have noticed that one of my eyebrows is filled in, the other one isn't. I decided that I wanted to try out this tinted brow gel both ways to see how it looks like on top of my regular eyebrow pencil or just worn alone. Okay, my battery just died while I was filming, and oh my gosh, one of the best purchases I ever made in my life was buying a second battery. So when one dies, I just put in the fully charged one and then charge the one that just died. The best thing where I can just quickly swap out my batteries, get back into filming, get back to the product. But gosh, if you film YouTube videos, I highly recommend buying a second battery for your camera. Oh, so glad I did that. But so anyways, let's see how this applicator looks. Oh, that's kind of big for eyebrows. I prefer, oh, look at that, how it's kind of like angled like that. But so I prefer a small brush applicator for brows. This is more like mascara sized wand, but that's okay. We're gonna see how it works. I'm just gonna start out brushing it through the brow that has not been filled in. This big applicator is difficult though to get the precise shape. Like it's a little messy as I'm applying it. So something really exciting that I'm doing this week is I'm going to Los Angeles, California for the first time ever. I've never even been to California, so I'm very excited to be going there just because I feel like I've heard so much about LA. I listen to so many podcasts that are LA based, and they always talk about these different restaurants and places around there, and it'll just be so cool to finally be in LA. Wow. So the way my eyebrow is looking right now, because it's a big applicator, it didn't give my brow much shape. I mean, this is kind of a look, like people do on purpose make their eyebrows look this way. It's kind of like that bushy man brow type of look. It's just not something that I usually go for. And let's see, this shade, it definitely looks red to me with that auburn. So it is like a very beautiful auburn shade. So if auburn is the shade to match you, I think it's good. But for me, it doesn't match very well. Let's see how it does on my eyebrow that's already been filled in with a pencil. But yeah, if you have any recommendations of things that I should do while I'm in LA, let me know in the comments down below. I'm really excited because it looks like it's going to be such beautiful weather, which I hear it's always beautiful weather in LA, so I'm very jealous about that. Okay, so this eyebrow gel, it has good pigment. It like, kind of messy, but there is definitely a color difference, and I feel like I'm very lightly brushing it through my brows, so it does make quite a tint, almost more than a tint. But I think that this is the type of product that I personally, since I don't want just kind of like a big shapeless brow, I think that I need to go in with a pencil and define the shape and then just be careful to only apply it to the places where I want the pigment, because this brow I think looks like it has good shape now. And I also feel like it doesn't look as red on me. I feel like this color actually looks really good. Like, let me do a zoomed in view so you can see the difference in the brows. Like, the color difference is pretty noticeable. That's surprising to me. But now let's see the texture. Oh, no transfer to my finger either. It does have great hold, but it doesn't feel crunchy. Oh, I really like the texture and the hold of this. Okay. Yeah, because I have really long eyebrow hairs, so I need to wear gel to keep them in place, or else they'll look really crazy and just be sticking up all over the place. But yeah, this is doing a perfect job of keeping the eyebrow hairs exactly where I brushed them. So good. That's what I really wanted this product to be able to do, was hold those brow hairs in place, and it is. But also the fact that it has good pigment to really fill in the brows, but in a way that looks natural. So it doesn't look like there is a tinted gel in my brows. It just looks like that's the color. So that's pretty nice. And for only $1, I'm very impressed. At first, I was thinking that this would be a product that I wouldn't be able to continue using and to make work for me, but I'm definitely going to continue using this, doing it in this method, because I am really happy with the finished result. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.